Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve 8 a power a times b power b is equals to 27 a power b by b power a times is equals to, and we have to find a square plus b square. So let's start with today's video solution. So 8 a power a times b power b is equals to 27 a power b power a by, I'm going to divide both sides by a power b power b. So this will cancel out. So what is left? 8 a power a by a power b is equals to 27 b power a by b power b. So a power a by a power b is equals to, I can write it as 27 by 8 b power a by b power b. Now according to exponent rule, x power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So a power a minus b is equals to 27 by 8 b power a minus b. So a power a minus b by b power a minus b is equals to 27 by 8. So I'm considering this as equation number 1. Now this I can also write it as 27 as 3 cube and 8 as 2 cube. So a power a minus b by b power a minus b is equals to 3 by 2 whole cube. This is my equation number 2. Now from equation first, I can write this as a by b whole power a minus b is equals to 27 by 8. We can write it as power 1. Now if we compare both sides, so a by b is equals to 27 by 8. So we can say that 8a is equals to 27b. And now from equation and from power, if we compare, a minus b is equals to 1. So a is equals to b plus 1. Now put the value of a here. So 8 times b plus 1 is equals to 27b. So 8b plus 8 is equals to 27b. 8b plus 8 is equals to 27b. So 8 is equals to 27b minus 8b. So 8 is equals to 18b. So b is equals to 8 by 18. So this can't be possible. So we will reject this. Now another condition is a by b whole power a minus b. We have right from equation number 2 is 3 by 2 whole power 3. So from here, if we compare a by b is equals to 3 by 2. So 2a is equals to 3b and a minus b is equals to 3. So a is equals to 3 plus b. Put the value of a here. So 2 times 3 plus b is equals to 3b. So 6 plus 2b is equals to 3b. 6 is equals to 3b minus 2b. So b is equals to 6. Now put the value of b here. So a is equals to 3 plus b. A is equals to 3 plus 6. So a is equals to 9. So we have the value of a and b, and we have to find a square plus b square. So a is 9 square and b is 6 square. 9 square is 81, 6 square is 36. So when we add, we get 170. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.